Contrary to what most people think, CHZ has a problem at 20 cents. In the last 24 hours, CHZ has dropped by about 1.8%, which is a big change. Contrary to what most people think, the CHZ/USD pair is moving below the EMA 20. At the end of the week, Chiliz shows a lot of negative force, which is pretty important. 16 to 22 July 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Chiliz cost exam for now or the next week. We'll try to answer as many of your questions directly as we can, especially if they're about important facts. What is the most current estimate for Chiliz price? CHZ is a buy and a big amount of smart income in a simple way. Chiliz support and blockage levels, for example, are very important. However, before going deeper into the CHZ expert study, we were able to examine the types of current economic problems in a way that didn't draw attention to itself. In the last 24 hours, the digital currency market lost $1.84, bringing the total value to $1 trillion. 177.112561953, which usually means that the CHZ/USD pair is moving below the EMA 20, which is the opposite of what most people think. The stated total number of trades is still 2057,763,844.40, which is a huge number. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33% in a mostly large way. This led to the price of Bitcoin dropping to $30,231.42 after a loss of 0.54, and people started thinking about other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, which has lost 0.65 and is now at $18,603.73. After losing 0.77 in value, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents. This shows that the market as a whole is going down, which is very important right now. All over the crypto market, you can see a big drop, which shows that the trading volume is still at $20,577,638,440, or so they thought. Chiliz support and resistance are important technical indicators that are used to identify key price levels where the trend could change. How Bitcoin has 49.89% of the opening market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33% in a very important way. Most of the time, support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the price of a coin from falling any further in a quiet way. Similarly, most of the time, resistance is a level where sellers become more active and keep the price of a coin from falling any further. In spite of what most people think, the help and hindrance amounts of Chiliz CHZ are as follows. Chiliz execution, the price of Chiliz CHZ specifically is at 0.076, which is down 1.8% in the last 24 hours and up 1.8% in the last week, which is a very big change. One-day trading volume for BTC is 16,809,734.00 US, while the total market cap came to 531,816,210.20 US, showing that 16 to 22 July 2023. In this video, we will really walk you through Chiliz. Out of 88,888, there are about 7,024,695,758 that can be used right now. This means that Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entrance market, while Ethereum has a majority of 16.33%. How much Chiliz is worth? CHZ price prediction for 16 to 22 July 2023, which is a very normal time period from a real point of view, is shown below. It shows what usually happened, like Bitcoin's price dropping to $30,231.42 after a 0.54% change, which is a very big change. INDEX are SI moving sort of typical blend and contrast macked backing levels, resistance levels, different time frame moving midpoints, including generally clear moving kind of ordered truly typical EMA to analyze the future advancement of the Chiliz. So the truly hard and fast trading volume kind of stands at 20,577,638, For 440, in a kind of critical way, the extremely relative strength record RSI for CHZ coin by and large is correct, now floating at 28 for 14 days, kind of ordinary line, which from a genuine perspective suggests CHZ particularly is an oversold zone, and an example modestly reversal genuinely is possible, showing the way that which fundamentally achieved Bitcoin as costs dropping down to 30,231.42 level after a rot of 0.54 in a truly huge way. The Chiliz kind of break all, its really maintains levels, and things in each functional sense are not looking really perfect for the crypto market. So Chiliz Esteem Assessment CHZ Cost Assessment for 08 July 2023 inside an exceptionally everyday time frame basically got a handle on underneath, showcasing what an uncommonly wide about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 30,231.42 level after a rot of 0.54, and a truly critical way at this point unequivocally bears kind of are responsible for the market and actually truly take CHZ cost under the vital assistance level of 17 pennies, displaying that comparative hindrance positively is a level at which vendors particularly become move pretty powerful and genuinely forestall the coin's costs from moving higher, particularly further appearance how the basically full-scale trading volume for the